Bonjour à tous, hi everyone and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. This is Unité 3, leçon H, and in this lesson we'll discover together le verbe répondre. Répondre means to answer, so it's quite useful. And then, well, it belongs to the third group of verbs, so we'll see how to conjugate this verb répondre at the present form. So let's see now the first form. Je réponds. Je réponds. Okay, so you can see that D and S here are not pronounced. Je réponds. Okay. Tu réponds. Well, the same form. Okay, exactly the same form, so the same pronunciation. Tu réponds. Il répond. So, final D is not pronounced. You only have this on nasal sound at the end. Répond. Elle répond. Okay? So, je réponds, tu réponds, il répond, elle répond. Okay? So far, only one way to pronounce it. Alright? Then, of course, for nous, we've got the normal and classic ending ONS. Okay? Don't pronounce the final S. You only pronounce this on sound. So you get répondons. Nous répondons. Nous répondons. Okay? And then classic ending for vous as well. EZ. Okay? Remember, you combine these two letters, you get the sound E. So, répondez. Vous répondez. Vous répondez. Okay? And then the last persons here. Ils répondent. So same thing here, classic ending, E-N-T, but then you don't pronounce it. Okay? Répondent. Répondent. Ils répondent. Elles répondent. Okay, so let's see all the form one more time. Je réponds, tu réponds, il répond, elle répond, nous répondons, vous répondez, ils répondent, elles répondent. All right? So, it was a short one. It's leçon H. Don't be shy and don't be afraid to check and to continue your French learning. Okay, leçon I will be online and it's right here. Okay, and if you want more material, then there is the website imagier.net. Okay, have a great day. Bye bye.